Day one.
Day one.
This is day one. Trying to get out and about and learn the same things you're learning. What are they doing?
So they got to decide if they wanted to use frosting or fondant.
What was your decision? Why'd you go with fondant?
We did fondant so that we could put it around the edge.
Oh, that's going to be this part.
It's going to be like part drooping over the edge.
Ooh,
And
okay.
the top is going to be like a graveyard.
What are you doing?
I have no idea. That's why I came to you guys, so I could steal your ideas. So my thought is I would do some sort of a border and put Go GBS with lighting. So I should probably put the lightning bolt in first. Okay, this is much more intense than I was expecting. I thought I was just going to do a couple little cookies. Now there's stress.
So we're gonna put
You can tell me to get out of the way.
No, you're good.
Everyone's doing the fondant.
a marble fondant,
Marble.
and then we're gonna put gravestones and grass around it, and hopefully put a border somehow,
Okay.
and then some snakes and a skull.
I'm very impressed with the vision that people have for their cakes.
The cake and stuff.
This recovered well. Like
You exceeded my expectations.
that's what I need to hear. I'm pretty pleased, never having done this before.